So you can also go ahead and tag out the emails according to how you like inside of Thunderbird. So over here you can see that, let's say I have this email and I want to go ahead and tag this particular email. In that case, I can right click and you can see that tag is an option. And there are many different tags that you can assign to this. Let's say, for example, I'm going to mark it as important, and you can immediately see that the color for this particular email changes. Similarly, you can go around and tag this out as work, let's say, for example, and that's tagged out as work right here. So you can go around and tag out the emails to different types of emails, and you can see that they actually go ahead and then show the tag in that format. So now what you can also do is, let's just go around and then tag this to work as well. Let's say, for example, you can go around onto the filter and just see the tagged emails, and you can go around filter it out by work, important, or personal, as you can see right here. You can go around and right click and go to tag and remove it out as well, just by clicking on it, and that particular email gets removed from the tag. You can also remove out all tags, or you can go around and assign new tags right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, I can simply give a tag name as, let's say, for example, TutorTube right here. So let's just choose a purple for this particular tag and press OK. And I can right click, and then you can see that TutorTube is another tag right here. So let's just go around over here on to tag, and you can see the TutorTube tag is here as well. And you can go ahead right here on to tag and remove all tags as well, or manage out the tags that you have right here, just like this, and then delete it or create a new tag from over here as well. So that is how you can use tags in emails inside of Thunderbird. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.